Hi, good afternoon. I am from Plants Paradise again. This is Peepal plants. We are growing them. They are baby plants now. They will be ready after 2 to 3 weeks time. We are growing a lot of Peepal plants. They are healthy and well rooted. So you can order this plant from our website plantsparadise.co.uk. Also the Tulsi plants is growing nicely. You can see they are big now, nicely grown plants. They are all growing nicely. Yes, can you see this plant is nice. So they are flowering as well. It's summertime. They have grown. This Krishna Tulsi. They have grown nicely. So if you want to order them, you can order from our website plantsparadise.co.uk. Thanks for watching.